Hey guys, just want to do a quick review on this leather back seat organizer that I just received. Great, perfect fit for my car. So I put seat covers on to protect the seats, and the pocket that was, on the seats mounted on there, I can no longer use, unfortunately. So I was looking for something like this, which is really great. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, 6, 7. And what I like about the most is it has this little table. So that's going to be cool for my daughter when she sits back here and she's no longer in a car seat. You could put something that seems really sturdy. So you could probably put an iPad, something right there, something to draw or whatever while we're on long road trips. Very easy to install. I have it straps right here with the headrest, another one that goes around the seat, and these at the bottom, which are really secure. This thing is not going anywhere, so it's nice. I don't have to have things thrown all around the car. I could keep it more organized, and yeah, definitely recommend. It's made really good. It's leather, high quality. I think I'm going to get some good use out of this. So yeah, just thought I'd share. Thanks.